The ingredients you'll need are pumpkin puree, fine sea salt, all-purpose flour, cane sugar, pumpkin pie spice, and vanilla extract. This recipe calls for heavy whipping cream, but I'm using the Silk brand heavy whipping cream alternative. The recipe also calls for milk, but I'm substituting almond milk. Finally, you'll need dark brown sugar. Into a bowl, add a half a cup or 60 grams of flour, a half a cup or 99 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons or 6 grams of pumpkin pie spice, or to taste. I like my pumpkin pie a little bit spicy, so I increase this to 1 tablespoon. Mix this up and add half a cup or 106 grams of dark brown sugar. Stir this well to break up any lumps of sugar. Add 3/4 cup or 150 grams of almond milk, then 1 cup or 230 grams of whipping cream alternative. If you can't find the Silk heavy whipping cream, full fat coconut milk could also be used. Just be sure that you stir it well before you measure it. Next, add your pumpkin puree. You'll need 1 cup or 212 grams. This is about half a can. This recipe then can easily be doubled using the other half of the can. Finally, you'll add a half a teaspoon or 2 grams of fine sea salt and 1½ teaspoons or 7 grams of vanilla extract. When mixing, you want to stir gently so you don't create a lot of bubbles. The smoother your batter, the less chance of having bubbles bake into the surface of your pie. Place your cooled pie shell on a parchment-lined baking sheet, then carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into the shell. Place the pie on the bottom rack of your oven and bake at 375 degrees until the edges of the filling are set but the center is still jiggly, about 30 minutes. Cool completely at room temperature, then chill for at least 2 hours before serving. Couldn't wait to try the pie. I was supposed to let it chill in the refrigerator for a little bit to help it set up, but I was dying to give it a try. Gotta try it, guys.